So guys, this is the user interface of the software, the OBS software, and please open it first. And I'll briefly introduce the the tools here. On the top side is the most important part and is the main part of the software. It's the this part. You can now if you go into the software the first time, it should looks like this, and maybe it will pop up a window say that it will have some suggestion for the configure or something. You can just press cancel and just get into this screen directly, because I'll introduce all the settings later. So on the top side, you will see a big black block. This is the canvas, which means all your sources will be placed on this canvas, and then this canvas is displaying what the canvas is displaying is the same as you are streaming or recording or use as a virtual camera. It will looks like this in this area, the canvas side. And the bottom side, you will see here scenes, a list of scenes and a list of sources, and then a audio mixer. And here you can set scene transitions and some controls buttons. I'll describe it later. So first of all, the most important part is the sources. I mean, it's the basic combination for everything. Everything that you put into OBS will become a source. Like here, you can click the button add. Oh, if your scene list is empty, you can create. You can press add first. Press add first, and it will create a scene. And then sources. If you press add, you will see a list of all the support sources that the OBS can put inside. And so I will start from the basic one is image. Image is just as the name. You can select it and give it a name. So it's image 1, and then press OK. Then you can select an image file here. Like I want to put the baseball image here. So you can see after I select a source, after I add a source inside, it will display in the canvas here, and you can scale it and move it around, just like you are doing in a drawing software or something. You can move it around and resize it. So this is the image source. And another one, the most useful one, the useful one is text. Text, yeah, just text. You can click it and give it a name. It's text 1. And here you can select some fonts. And give it a font size like 100 or something. And then type something, low OBS. So we will have a text here. Yeah, it's really easy. So an image and a text here. And the sources list here is same as the layer list. So now the text is up upon the image source. So if I put the text here, I should change the color. Oh, maybe in the setting, you can double click your sources, or you can right click and press properties. it's the same. And in the bottom, you can give the text an outline. It's which I usually will set is I will give the text an outline, and I will change the outline color to black, and the outline size is 10, like this. Okay, so as you can see, the text now it's on the image. It's the layer is before after the layer is after the image. So you can change the layer organize here, just drag it. Like you can see, if I drag the text to the bottom or to the top, it will change the organization of the sources layers. And it's the same that you can press the arrows button here in the bottom. Here's two button is up and down. You can click it and it will change the layers organizing. It's the same. Okay, so now we have image and we have text, and next one is usually we will use media source. Media source is like if you want to play videos or something, then you can use media source. It's same as other sources. After you press it, give it a net source name, and then browse a file. Like here, I have some image here, some videos here, and I'll put it inside. Then it will become a player, like I can play videos here. And because now the layer is on the top, so it covered all my image and my text. But so I can move my media source to the bottom, like this. And of course, I can scale the video source here to the max size. Or there's a fast way is you can right click on your media source, and in the menu, here's one is named transform. And then here you can set fit to screen, so it will automatically set the sources size to the full size of your canvas. So I click it, yeah, so it's now the same size of the canvas, and I can move the baseball around or move the text around. As you can see, the video now, the video I'm playing is also recorded with OBS, this software. So here's some text at below at bottom is also put on with OBS software. Yeah. So like you can see the timeline of the video here. Okay. So but I'll and when you are playing a media source, you can see in the audio mixer, this side, the audio is also been playing, which means if you are doing a recording, or if you are doing a streaming, this audio is streams out. And what is streams out also is this one is the microphone. It's the microphone that on my laptop. So if you don't want to record your microphone when you are playing other media sources, you can press here. You can press the mute button. So now only the media source, this audio is streams out. And of course, you can modify the volume here, or you can modify the microphone value here. It's the same. Okay, so I'll remove this first because the media source is a little bit annoying. I'll remove it first. Okay, and another one is window capture. And window here's you will see here's a lot of different capture here. Here one is window capture, and here's a game capture, and the display capture, and audio capture. Audio capture is, as the name is, it will capture the audio, and the input capture means that you can select input device that with audio, then it will capture this input audio. And the output capture means that it will capture a output device. Like if you are using earphones and you are playing music, then when you are and then after you add a audio output capture, you can select a device. Like now here's already a desktop audio. It's by default it will be put here, but add another one. So like here I can select speaker, my speaker device, and oh no, wait. I'll select this one, this device. This is my screen's audio, and if I am playing, if I'm playing a music here, if I'm playing a music here, you can see it's capture my output audio, which is the audio that I'm playing now. Okay, so I'll mute it. You can see if I mute it, this audio is gone, and if I open it, it will be captured by the audio output capture. I'll close it. Okay, so another one is the one that I want to say is window capture. This is I think it's the most useful, that I really use it a lot in OBS. This software is window capture. It means that you can select a window on your computer, and it will put it inside. Like now, okay, I'll open the YouTube again. Okay, so I can select a window like where is my browser here, and press OK. Then it will capture my window. It will capture the window that I select. So the same that you can press transform, right click and transform and set it fit to screen, and then drag it to the bottom, and I want the baseball to be here and hello OBS to be here. So this is the screen that on my another screen, it will be captured by the window capture this source. So it's really useful. Like if you want to recording a window, like if you are having a workshop or something, if you are using Miro or other software and you want to record the whole progress, then you can open the OBS and then put into a window capture source and then select the window that you want to record. So this is window capture. And another one is similar is called display capture. It's similar to window capture, but window capture means that you can select a window to capture, and the display capture means that it will capture the whole display, your whole monitor. Like here, click create the display capture source. You can see it's capturing my freeze.
Well, are you okay?
Wuhan, are you okay? Yeah, Wuhan is still here, but hey.
Hi, Sean. I think I could not add the video to in. Like I don't know.
You mean when you are trying, or you mean my screen is freeze?
Yeah.
Give me a second. Oh. Okay. So Dara, you mean your computer is freeze, or?
No, I just freezing is I'm too cold. You know. But I could not add the video to the
you mean
inside the program.
You mean the window capture? You cannot add it?
No, the video capture device.
The window capture device.
Yeah.
The window capture. You mean the video capture device?
Yeah. Yes.
I'll describe it later. Yeah. So okay. The display capture is, it will capture the whole monitor. Like my display 1 is this screen, and the display 2 is this screen. So I can capture. You can select which monitor to capture. Like if you want to capture my display 2, this monitor, I'll put it inside and then transform and set to fit to screen. So I can record my whole monitor. So now I can record my whole monitor now. And of course, if I move it to the bottom, the text and the image will be on the top. Okay, then next one is the one that Dara just asked. It's the video capture device, and this one is same as the, like a webcam is a video capture device, or if you have a HDMI capture device like this thing that you can plug a HDMI inside, and you can plug USB inside and then connect it to your computer. Then you can capture other device by the HDMI displaying signals. You can capture the HDMI displaying signals. Like if I'm playing my video game device, like if I'm playing Switch or something, I can connect the Switch HDMI line to this kind of device and plug it into my computer. And then in the video capture, in the OBS setting, add a video capture device here. And then you will be able to select some video capture device here. But as Dara said, now the USB live camera is my webcam. This one is named USB live camera, and you will find that you cannot add it, like nothing display. It's because that Zoom, our meeting room, Zoom is now it's using the video device now. So usually if you disable your webcam in Zoom first, like now, if I disable here, so now you can see me, then I'll try to select my USB live camera again. Yeah, you can see it's now it's work. So Dara, maybe you can try that if there's other software is using your camera. Maybe you will have to close it first.
Okay.
Yep. So but now you'll find the very weird thing is that the resolution of your webcam is really small. It should not look like this. You might say that, yeah, I just scale it is fine, but the resolution is still low. It's still not the best quality of my webcam. It's because here you can set the resolution by yourself. I'll change it to custom and then set the resolution to the highest one. Great. Now I have a very high resolution webcam capture now. And here you can, of course, you can put a text here, hello OBS, and put an image here, a baseball here, baseball here on my head. Yeah, like this. And then on the right side, in the controls, here are several buttons. The first one is start streaming, which means you can connect your OBS software to other streaming platform like Facebook. Facebook support the Facebook Live, this kind of streaming, or YouTube has streaming, or Twitch or something. You can connect OBS and send signals to this platform. And another one is start recording, which means it will record your canvas into a file in your local computer. And then another one on the third one is start virtual camera, which means it will make your OBS canvas into a virtual camera. What does it mean? Like now I will start virtual camera, and in my Zoom setting, in my Zoom setting, you can select my camera device, select the OBS virtual camera. It should name OBS virtual camera. So now you can see in Zoom, Zoom, my my camera is become it's now looks the same as the one that the what I put in the OBS. So now, please please everyone, if your OBS is working, please try. And I'll give you a suggestion is you can find some stickers on the Giphy, this website. This website has a lot of GIF GIF stickers. So you can select the category stickers. Because the stickers, there's a lot of stickers is transparent background. Like if I want to find a animal, like I don't want to find a cat or some, or you can also search here. I will search a cat. I remember there's a black cat is sitting somewhere. This one. Then you can right click and save it as an image. Save it as an image. As you can see, I already saved it. and then put it into your OBS. You can directly drag into your OBS. The file is here. Okay, the file is here. You can directly drag it into OBS. Then in your OBS, you will have the GIF file, and you can put it. I'll put it here, like it's sitting here or something, and then I will remove another one. So now I have a cat here. Now I also have a cat here. Here. Yay. Yeah. So okay. So now please try to find some first first step is stop the camera in Zoom, and then next step is add a video capture device in your OBS, and then select your video device, select your webcam, and then after you select your webcam, remember to set the resolution by yourself, set the resolution to custom, and set it to the highest resolution. And then after this, press the start. Here should be start virtual camera. And then in the Zoom, select the OBS virtual camera and then start the camera. That's the steps. So please try. And if you have any problem, if you got any problem, if you have any question, please let me know. Yeah, so like you can now you can see Sherry's webcam is now become a OBS logo, and with the camera is being blocked, which means she already select the device, the Zoom. She already select the device to OBS virtual camera, but she hasn't start the the virtual camera in OBS software.
I already did the video already. So I already put the video already, and also I use a video device, caption device as well.
So you can
now.
see similar to your OBS now looks similar to mine.
Yeah, I can share my screen if you would like to see.
Yeah, great. Then press the button in the controls here. Here will be a name is Start Virtual Camera. And then in the Zoom, you can open your camera and then select the device to the OBS virtual camera device. Okay, give me a second. I will leave the meeting room for a few seconds. If the language is different, you can set the language in the settings here. If you want to see the English user interface same as mine. Yeah, if you cannot set the resolution, maybe it's because you haven't select the resolution FPS type to custom. It will be device default, and then you have to set it to custom first, and then set it to the highest resolution, and then press OK. And then next step is set transform and set fit to screen, like this. Maybe you can try to open the virtual camera device first. Dara, sorry, I can't open your screenshot. Well,
what you just say, sorry?
I cannot open your screenshot. So you already you cannot start the virtual camera. I think you open the camera and you now is you select I'm not sure if you are you select the OBS virtual camera?
How can I select the virtual camera?
It will look like this. Give me a second. I just did a screenshot. It will look like this in the Zoom meeting room, and then your camera setting here, and press the small arrow here, and then you can select the OBS virtual camera. This one.
Can you share screen so it's better?
Oh, I'm not sharing screen. Oh, sorry. Here.
Okay.
So yeah, in a Zoom meeting room, and the camera setting, select to OBS virtual camera. This one. And then in your OBS here, push the button named Start Virtual Camera.
I think I cannot I can open the virtual camera, but when I click the video on the Zoom link, I cannot it didn't show off the OBS virtual camera.
So Dara, you mean in your device list there's no OBS virtual camera? I see Kathy already got it.
Yes. Maybe can I show I share my screen and then you can tell me.
Yeah, maybe you can share your screen. Yeah, nice, Kathy, you made it. But in Zoom, you have to disable the effect.
Okay. Sean, I think you off the share screen and then I can share.
Okay.
Let me share screen. I think I cannot share screen because it's not allowed.
Oh, this is so fun.
Can you share my screen?
Perfect. Can you share?
I think I cannot.
are you there?
No, Sean, you have to open me to become I cannot share screen because I'm not allowed to share screen.
小林，我刚刚好像把你设成主持了。
Okay, please try again.
this, and then
yeah,
and then and then I have to click this, right?
yes. And then in your Zoom meeting room. But I cannot see your Zoom
Let
meeting.
me. Yes, but when I click the Zoom meeting, is let me try. But I cannot see the Zoom link as well. Where is my Zoom link? Okay, here the video. Okay, but when I share open the screen, the video, and then I cannot. My computer doesn't show
the OBS virtual camera.
The one you told, yeah, like the virtual camera or something. They don't show up. So maybe you can see like this.
Wuhan is the same.
Yeah, I can choose the OBS virtual camera.
哇，你的是 Mac 吗？还是你？
是，我是 Mac。
Dara is also using Mac. Kathy is also using Mac, right? No, Kathy. 该不会是 Mac 的问题？
No, not.
Oh shoot.
Maybe it's not. We don't use Mac.
I changed it to PC. Wait a second.
I don't have PC. Sorry. Maybe it's something setting.
But the OBS document said the OBS virtual camera is work in Zoom. I have no idea.
It's okay. Sometimes it happens. The world is not friendly to Mac.
These have all been tested and confirmed to work on Mac OS, Big Sur, and OBS. We are already using the newest OBS. Okay.
Not live stream, start recording. Cannot. And then this is mute. So choose background device. No.
Yeah, you are all doing right. Just the Zoom cannot find the OBS virtual camera device. It's a little bit weird.
Yeah.
Well, it's okay. Let's
It's okay. No worry.
So let's wait. Wuhan is changing your computer. You want to try?
No. I just try in the same time, so it's okay. We can continue.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll keep going. So where's my OBS? Oh, my OBS is here. Okay. Hey Sherry, are you finished? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Sherry got it. Sherry has a unstable internet connection. Sherry is loading. Okay, so so now we already know how to put your webcam into OBS, this software, and with some funny things here. Of course, you can add more, yeah. And then here on the left side, we'll go into the scenes list. But before we go into the scene list, please click here. Here's a button named Studio Mode. Please click it first. Here's a button named Studio Mode, and you will see the screen it's been separated into two different screens. One is named Preview, and another one is named Program. The Program one means the same as before. the program one is now is on the screen which is on air now, like the recording or the virtual camera or streaming now is looks like the program one. And what is preview one? Now please press the add button and add a new scene here. Add a new scene. So I'll just name it scene 2, it's fine. And you will see when I'm changing my, when I click the scene, you'll see the preview is being changed. So the preview means that you can preview the one that you are, preview the scene that you are select. So what we are going to do now is like we are going to pretend that like we have a case where we want to record our screen and with our web camera in the same time. How do we do that? In our scene 2, I already introduced the window capture or the display capture. You can select which one you want to use. So now I'll select window capture, and I'll select my my window, this window. Okay, it's my browser, and I'll set it to transform and fit to screen. And then I'll add another source is named scene. What is the source name is scene? What is a scene source? It means that you can put other scene as a source into this scene. It sounds complicated, but it sounds complex, but it's actually it's really simple. It's when you press the scene source, this one, press it, and it will let you select. You cannot create new because you have to select existing scene here. So I'll select my scene, this one. I will rename it first. I will rename it to scene 1. It will be better. Okay. Add a source, add a scene source, and select my scene 1, this source. Ta-da! The scene, my scene 1 now become a source. It become a source in my scene 2. So I can resize it and put it on the right bottom corner. So now I have a picture-in-picture scene, which is I have a browser here and blah blah blah. I'm teaching or something. I have a browser here, and now I have my webcam here, and in my webcam I have a cat here. I have a cat here. So like if I move the cat to another side, the scene source will change in the same time, like this will change in the same time. So I'll move it back here. Yeah. So this is how we usually do when we are doing a very nice way if you want to record a teaching video or a workshop video or something. And just remember, if you want to record, remember to record your audio also. Just check the audio mixer here. Here the audio is peaking, it's running. The bar is running. It means the audio is working fine. But now the scene 2 is still in the preview part. So if I press recording or if I press streaming, it still will record the program, the right side one. So how to change this? How do I change my preview scene into the program scene? Just press the transition button in the middle. Here's a button named transition, and it will use this setting here. On the right side, here's a setting, a scene transition setting, and now it's set to fade, or you can set to cut or something. Usually we use fade, 300 milliseconds fade. Just press transition, and you can see my scene is switched. So you can, maybe you will find that in the Zoom meeting room, my web camera is become the one that shows in the program part. I can press transition again, then it will switch back. and also here's a bar in bottom. Here's a transition bar. It's similar to the real broadcaster device that will has a slider that can change scenes between. So you can also slide it here, like you can slide it like this. You can fade it as the speed that you want, and go back. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So this is the scenes. Now so usually we'll have a lot of scenes here, with like we have an event, and in the first part, the first 10 minutes, it should look like something, and then after what it should looks like. So we will have a lot of scenes here, and usually we will rename the scenes into the timeline. That will make it easier for us that when we are changing the scenes. So we have scene 1, we have scene 2. Then when the time is coming, we have to change. Just select another scene and then press transition, and then it'll it'll go as you like. So okay, so now it's 9 and 7. Next week, this all is the briefly introduce of the OBS, this software, for this week. So anyone has any questions?
I don't have any question, but I feel sad that I cannot share my screen for my video.
You mean the virtual camera?
Yeah, because I saw the Kathy is very nice with the cat walk around. I'm so jealous.
Maybe next. Maybe you can try later if you restart your computer. Maybe it will work. I'm not really sure, because it's like that after you install the software, it will also install the virtual camera as a device into your computer. So maybe in Mac you have to restart or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but I remember it worked because I used Mac as the broadcaster device before, and I remember it's worked. Yeah. I forgot a very important part is we already introduced the virtual camera, and of course the recording. The recording is very simple, that you press it and it will record it as a file. And what is in the streaming? I'll quickly show a simple way to stream in Facebook. Like, just open your Facebook, and then here, here. Oh, sorry, my user interface is in Chinese, but the buttons icon should looks the same. When you are posting, and there will be a button is named live streaming or something, live Facebook Live or something. Press it, and then here will be able to start a stream. Select it, and then it will let you choose that you can use your webcam device directly, or use this one, another one. It looks like a key. it means that it will have a a domain and the streaming key. It will give you a streaming key here. If you press it, you see it will give you a streaming key. And this is a very important thing, is do not let others got your streaming key. So now what I'm doing is really dangerous, because this means now you can stream on my Facebook. So I should cover this. Yeah. So just copy the streams key. Just copy the streams key, and then go back to OBS, and then in the setting, on the left side here's a setting part named stream setting. And in the stream setting, select the stream service to Facebook Live. And then just paste your key here. Press OK. And then start streaming. And go back to your Facebook. So you can see my video is already being streamed to the Facebook, but I haven't started, so you cannot find it on my Facebook page. But the data has already been sent to Facebook, so I can try to do some transition, and then here it will have several seconds delay. It's about 10 seconds or something. So yeah, you can see it's the transition is working. And then you just press start streaming. Then you are now become a YouTuber. No, Facebook streamer. Yeah. Yeah. So this is